I don't want to dress up.
Can you just bring it?
Wait, am I dressing up now?
No, just go. Maybe you should dress up. Honey, it's not like it makes a big difference you wear a tutu or not. You know,
Wow.
you feel it. Hey, stop.
At a Asian nail salon is that usually Halloween, they don't really dress up at all. They just kind of, go on with it. So I bet you I'm the only person who's dressed up in the salon. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna prove to you what I'm talking about. But first, let me see if my clients recognize me, how I look. Hold up. I always scare you.
I thought you were in role.
You guys laughing at me like that?
Because you a hot mess, that's why.
See, he's not dressed up. Look at that. He's just dressed normal like everybody. I told my wife already.
You look pretty.
Hi, my name Ling Ling.
Hey, Lily.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Look at that. Not even dressed up. Just ready to work. Everybody's just ready to work.